Morning students. Today our topic triangles and its properties. Triangles and its properties. In this topic we are going to learn what is triangle, how many types of triangle based on sides, based on angles. Okay. Now first what is a triangle? Observe here. A closed figure formed with three line segment. Triangle. A closed figure formed with three line segments. Three line segments. This is one leg, 2, 3. A triangle have what are having? Three sides, three angles. Three angles, three vertices. Three vertices. So, if I have a triangle, what is a triangle? A closed figure formed with three line segment. First, a triangle have three sides. Observe here. AB is one side, BC. So, AB, BC and CA. Three sides. Three angles. What are three angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle C. Three angles. Vertices. Three vertices. What are the vertices? A, B, C. Okay? Right. Next, a triangle divide the plane. Not only triangle. Any closed geometrical figure. Any closed geometrical figure, either circular, quadrilateral, triangle, pentagonal, hexagonal, whatever it may be, divide the plane into three parts. One is interior the plane, second exterior the geometrical figure, third one on the figure. Now a triangle also same like that only. Interior, if you have to take X is interior of the triangle. Point X is interior of the triangle. Point Y, exterior of the triangle. Angle E is on the triangle. Again one property, sum of angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. This is the biggest and important point. So property or point or property of a triangle, sum of three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is one property. Next, again one. So observe here, I am extend BC like this only and AC like this only or AB. Both are whatever it may be. Okay, so this is the interior angle. This is the interior of the triangle. This is the exterior. This is the interior. This is the exterior angle. Interior angle and exterior angle. So one property, exterior angle is equal to, if I have take this angle is D. If I am taking this angle, I am name it is a D. Angle D is equal to angle opposite angles. Angle A plus angle B. So, in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angles. Okay? So, in a triangle, understand? So, observe here. In a triangle, so in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, same if I take another angle at here also. So here some E. This E is equal to what is the opposite angles? B and C. So angle E is equal to also angle B and angle C. Okay. So whatever it may be, here you have to take another one, some F. F is equal to angle A plus angle C. So because it is a property of a triangle. What is the property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. Next. Types of triangles. So types of triangle based on sides and based on angles. Now I am taking here for only sides. Now I am taking sides. First one, equilateral triangles. Every triangle has 3 sides. So in a triangle, 3 sides are equal. In a triangle, 3 sides are equal. Then it is equilateral triangle. Simple concept. 3 sides are equal. Then it is called equilateral triangle. If in a triangle, any 2 sides, either these two or these two, whatever it is, in a triangle, any 2 sides equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Okay? Right. Types of triangle. Look, so what is the scalene triangle? What is first one is 3 sides are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. If any 2 sides are equal, then it is scalene triangle. Here observe, this is one type of triangle, A, B triangle. A is B C. So any side is not equal to other side. Any side is not equal to other side. Then it is called a scalene triangle. Okay. Next. Types of triangle based on angles. Based on angles. So there are acute angle, right angle, acute angles. Now acute. Acute means 0 to 90 degrees, not exactly 90. Okay? Less than 90. If in a triangle, any one angle, not all angles is less than 90, then it is called acute angle triangle. So all angles should be less than 90. Then it is called acute angle triangle. Next. Right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle? In a triangle, any one angle is 90 degrees, then it is called the right angle triangle. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. We are calling it a right angle. This is right angle. Therefore, it is called a right angle triangle. So, in a triangle, any one angle is 90. Any one angle is 90 degrees, is 90 degrees. That is called right angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse means more than 90. That is a 90 to 180 degrees. 90 to 180 degrees. That is the obtuse angle. So, any one angle is obtuse, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. Simple concept. Here, all 3 angles is less than 90, they are acute. Here only one is the possible, not more than one. Because sum of the angle is 180. So if one angle is 90, then another 2 is not 90. So they are less than 90 only. If another one is 90, they are automatically 180. So there is no choice for third angle. Therefore, in a triangle, so only one right angle is possible or one obtuse angle is possible. Not 2 right angles is not possible, not 2 obtuse angles is not possible. Okay? Right. Types of angles based on angle. Types of triangles based on angles. Previous were sides. Now I am going for the angles. So acute angle triangle. In a all angles are acute, then it is called acute angle triangle. If I take any triangle, I am taking one triangle, all angles less than 90, all angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle triangle. All angle is less than 90, then it is called acute angle triangle. Next, right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. If I take right angle is equal to 90 degrees. If in a triangle, only one angle is 90 degrees, then it is called right angle triangle. Next, obtuse. Obtuse also same. In a triangle, only one angle is obtuse, then it is called obtuse angle. What is obtuse? Obtuse means 90 to 180. 90 to 180 degrees. Not exactly 90, not 180. It should be it should be 90 to 180. So once observe, in a acute means in a triangle 3 angles should be less than 90, then it is acute. So right angle means only one angle is right angle, then it is a right angle triangle. So any triangle only one right angle is possible, not more than 1, because sum of the angle is 180 degrees, already we studied. So if I take one is 90, if take another one is 90, then what about another one? Third one is 0. It is not possible. Therefore, so a triangle have only right angle triangle only one right angle, or similarly have only one obtuse angle. Okay, right. Next, relationship between sides of triangles. So every triangle have a 3 sides, we know. So is there any relationship between three sides? Now we are checking for that only. So we have one relation, but 2 conditions it should be satisfied. Then only we can draw triangle. Otherwise we can't draw a triangle. For example, so what is here? Sum of any 2 sides of a triangle, the symbol of triangle, so called as a triangle, is greater than third side. That means I have take any 3, 6 and 2. Example I have take. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 is less than 6. So we never draw a triangle within 3, 6, 2, because sum of 2 triangle is less than 6. So it is not possible. It is not possible to form a triangle. So if you have take here 4, then it is possible. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 is greater than 6. Then we can make a triangle. We can draw a triangle. So sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. I have to take any sides. But if I add in length of 2 sides, that should be greater than third side. That should be greater than third side. Otherwise, we not form a triangle. Next, difference of any 2 sides of a triangle. Here, this is symbol of triangle. I call it as a triangle. Difference of any 2 sides of a triangle is less than third side. Less than third side. If I take 6 minus 3. 3 is less than 4. 4 minus 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. 2 is less than 3. Okay. Next, 4 minus that is equal to 1. 1 is also less than 6. So I have to take any 2 sides is difference. Example I am taking 9, 2 and 5. So so you have to take 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. 7 is greater than 5. So using these measures, we can't form a triangle because difference of 2 triangle is greater than third side. But it should be less than third side. Then we can measure a triangle. Otherwise, triangle is not formed. This is the relationship between 3 sides of a triangle. Okay. Next, attitudes of a triangle, median of a triangle. What is attitude? What is median? Attitude means a perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. I am drawing now I draw a triangle. So this is vertex to, there is a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, vertex to perpendicular. This is called attitudes. This is called attitudes. So it is in not midpoint or not, we not bother about that. This vertex to perpendicular to the vertex. Okay, so this is called attitudes of a triangle. So a triangle how many? A triangle have 3 attitudes. How many attitudes? 3 attitudes. So these 3 are join or not, we are not considered based on triangle only. It will 3 triangles are 3 attitudes touch in one point or not, we are seeing next class. So this attitude means there is a vertex to perpendicular distance opposite side. Next, median. Median also same. In a triangle, a line segment join the vertex with the midpoint. This is not 90 degrees. This is not a 90 degrees. May or may not. But it should be midpoint. It should be midpoint. Okay. Say here vertex to this distance A, B, C. Vertex to this distance. But here perpendicular exactly 90 degrees in these attitudes. But in median it is not a 90 degrees. Here both sides are may or may not equal. But here both sides are equal. It is a midpoint. Okay. This is not, it is a midpoint. This is 90 degrees. Both line segment coming from the opposite vertex. This is the properties of, some properties of a triangle. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video.